In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the MotoGP 26 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and then just click on the search box and type in MotoGP 26 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and you will end up within the game page. Here you can check out the trailer and the reviews as well. If you scroll down, you will find the Add to Cart button, which you can click on to proceed towards your purchase. Click on the View My Cart button and then click on Continue to Payment. Now you may choose your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials followed by your billing information. You also have the option to save it for later use by clicking on the checkbox. Once you continue forward with your payment, the game will be added to your library as soon as the transaction is completed. Then from your library, you can begin the installation by choosing your install location. Then just wait for the installation process to complete. And once it is done, you may start enjoying MotoGP 26 on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install MotoGP 26 on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.